Hi, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Nedbank app. So, for this, you will require Nedbank mobile app installed, logged into your account and sufficient balance. Simply log in with PIN, fingerprint or Face ID to your Nedbank application, then go to Payments by tapping Pay, Transfer or Payments. Now, choose transfer type like paying a beneficiary or paying once off recipient. Now, enter recipient details like bank number, account number, branch code, recipient name, and much more. Then enter the amount. Type transfer amount, then confirm the payment. So review details, tap pay or confirm and verify with PIN or biometric. Then the transfer will be completed. And if payment fails, check internet connection, verify account details, daily limit may be reached, or you can try again later. Important tips: you can save beneficiary for faster future payments, keep proof of payment screenshot, and transfer may take a few minutes to reflect. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.